In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and replace words in Prezi quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you need to fix spelling, update a name, swap out a phrase, or make changes across a presentation without editing everything manually slide by slide. It can save you a lot of time, especially if your Prezi has a lot of text in it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to your Prezi dashboard and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the dashboard, look through your presentations and select the presentation you want to edit. Click on it to open it up in the editor. After the presentation loads, you'll want to look at the top left corner of the screen. Next to the title, you should see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu you need, so click on those 3 lines to open the options. When the menu opens, look for the option that says Find and Replace. This is the tool that lets you search for a specific word or phrase and replace it with something new. Go ahead and select it. Once you click it, a pop-up window will appear on the screen. In this pop-up, you'll see 2 fields. The first field is for the word or phrase you want to find, and the second field is for the word or phrase you want to replace it with. Type the exact word you want to search for in the Find box. Then type the new word you want to use in the Replace box. Make sure you double check your spelling before you continue, because this will help you avoid changing the wrong text if you're replacing a name, a product term, or a repeated phrase. This feature is especially handy because it can update everything much faster than doing it manually. After entering both words, review the pop-up one more time to make sure everything looks correct. Then confirm the replacement and let Prezi update the content for you. In just a moment, your presentation will reflect the new wording wherever that text appeared. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your presentation consistent and save a ton of editing time. And that's it. You now know how to find and replace words in Prezi using the built-in search and replace tool. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.